name is Peggy Golden. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make dehydrated food in one bag. It's going to be chicken, and you can make a vegetable of your choice. I'm doing green beans and some peas. The value of storing in one bag is that it's easy to bring for lunch. It's easy if you are on the road and you want something healthy to eat without all of the chemicals. You are able to also save money by dehydrating your own food, and you know what's in the bag. So all you need is the bag, hot water, and a clip. And in 20 to 30 minutes, your lunch, your meal will be ready for you or your family. So I hope you enjoy the video. So here is my dehydrated broccoli, 1 tray, and 4 trays of dehydrated chicken. So I left this at 145 degrees overnight for 8 hours, and now I'm going to show you what I do with it for the next step. So this is the broccoli, and you can tell that it is very dry, just like my farmer hands. It smells so sweet. All of the sugar of the fruit is now intact in this little dry plant, and when you rehydrate it, it smells wonderful. Here is the chicken. That is quite a bit of chicken. The trays were dry when I took them off, and the chicken itself is also dry. And because I had time to put this up and I wanted to show you how I did it, I also did 3 bags of green beans. Just put them on the tray, 145, left them overnight, got up in the morning, made my coffee, read my Bible, and now it's time to put this up. So I'll show you what's next. So here is 1 cup of dry chicken and 1 cup of green beans. Now, I like these 4x6 Mylar bags, and they have a clear front, as you can see. So you can see everything that is in there. And I also like the larger bags, so I can put in enough for 2 people. And I also have a huge selection of the clear plastic that you can put right in the microwave. So let me show you how this is done. In each bag, I put 1 oxygen absorber. This will take any air out of the bag. And you can still see, even dehydrated, just how green and fresh that broccoli is. Mylar black bags have to be closed with heat. So all I do is take out the air, use my designated flat iron, and it's that easy. And it's done. So whether you're taking food on the go or for lunch, you just have your zip right here. You take it off, you can empty it into a bowl. Add 1.5 cups of water for every cup of food. Just make sure that the food is covered, and usually 20-25 minutes. It's complete. You drain off the water, season if you'd like, and you'll have a wonderful meal, as I'm about to show you. So that's what came out of my little bag. And I already started nibbling on it. And so I added some salt and pepper and a little bit of butter. Actually, a lot of butter.
And so when you get home from work or you're going camping, for whatever reason, I'm a gardener, so I like to put all my fresh food up, and then all I have to do is add hot water. It's so much easier, and the food is so fresh, and I know what's in it.
Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to click like and subscribe so that you'll be notified of future videos. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below, and I will try to answer them for you. May God bless you and your family.